Hello guys, in this video, I will share you the Magic Tweaks. Magic Tweak is a special set prop file that functions to improve the performance of rooted non-rooted Android devices. The contents of the file are several hidden features that have been compiled into a set prop code, so that they can be installed on all Android devices. This is all features of this tweakus. Rendering tweaks, game dashboard for Android 11 Plus, F stabilizer, thermal service, build prop tweak, game driver preference, many more. Okay, let's start the video. Download link in pinned comment. Just follow me what I do. Game equals this file for that each time your app is run, a part of a DEX file is converted dynamically where AO compiles the source code before execution, recommended for gaming or daily use. Multitask equals this file for ahead of time compilation. Again, as the DEX contain the bytecode, it needs to be translated to the machine code to be run, recommended for multitasking. Download Brevent on Play Store. Just follow me what I do. Just follow me. Choose your tweaks. Then wait this a minute.
Don't know what's ahead of me. I work so hard for everything. Don't wanna lose my time or my mind on the grind, but I want a better life for me.
Then done.
I do the things I hate to do, just to try to find my way to you. I see you in my mind all the time.
If you want to uninstall the tweaks, just restart your phone. Here's the gameplay test. Wrote a song called Destiny. When I'm in pain, don't let them see. Emotion is the enemy. Therapeutic chemistry. I strive to be a part of you. I wanna help the world get through. Sometimes I feel so small against it all. Don't know what to do. I just dream of ones and twos. I gotta find out. I gotta find out. Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try.
Do you love playing Mobile Legends, but you don't have diamonds to buy skin? Don't worry, this app will help you to get diamonds for free. This app called To Uninstall Tweaks. This app have three purpose. The first one is you can get free load. You need to invite friend to play To Uninstall Tweaks. Invite 10 friends can get 100 stars which can redeem 100 load. Second, you can join the tournament. You can win more stars in daily tournament. Choose free tournament for an easy way. Third is to convert your stars into load, then buy diamonds. And get your dream skin. And I will show you how to do that. First, click stars plus button, then click gift button. Then click get prepaid load rewards to redeem loads. After you receive the load, you can buy now diamonds and get your skin that you want. So what are you waiting for? Download link is in my pinned comment and description.
That's for all on this video. I hope you like it. Please like this video, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to click notification bell for updated all my videos. Thank you guys.
This journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing.